guys. Oh, we're on a mad one today. God, we must be bonkers. It's absolutely pouring with rain. Anyway, is there method in our madness on Camilla and I today? Well, I don't know really. It's probably completely mad. But the plan for today was to get up nice and early and come out to the New Forest in the rain. Well, it's supposed to only be the first 2 hours in the rain, and we're going to hopefully find some stags and pop up, because they can't hear us coming and they can't smell us because of the rain, and we're going to pop up right in amongst a herd and we're going to get the shots on Camilla and I. So yeah, what are our chances, guys? And I should be taking the umbrella with me and the backpack and the 200 to 600 millimeter, and I'm only risking the A9II today. That's enough camera equipment for a rut. Oof. Anyway, I can't hear any roaring or bolving yet, so I'm gonna have to go further in. So I've got the wellies on, and yeah, I've got the gear in the backpack. So good. Tree fallen down, just a branch, but the lightning that was forecast for this afternoon does actually appear to be around now. Madness. Wow, that worked very well. I must admit that's the closest I've got to them at the entrance before. Quite amazing. I was only about 200 metres from them, from the entrance to this enclosure. So anyway, I worked my way stealthily round to the right. Yeah, I don't think they saw me, but they just detected a whiff in the air. So they have actually moved from this area. Quick flip around. So yeah, I'm safe to do this quick vlog at the moment. Obviously first thing this morning was far too low, but anyway, great to see. Catch you later, guys. Oh, this is fun. Just hope it stops raining soon. But yeah, the tactics worked well. Just gotta hope it stops raining now. Ooh. We had one deer walk practically straight into the scene, almost straight up towards me through the bracken. At one point I thought it was going to burst through the bracken, so I had to zoom the 200 to 600 out to 200. Anyway, even as I'm recording this, there's some bolving going on in the background. Ooh, I can't quite record the roar over the rainfall at the moment, because the setup today is, have a look at this, that's Camilla under the umbrella, under the branch of a tree. Look at that. And so far, that's how we got the footage to date. Wow, what an amazing day, guys. Unbelievable. You come for the red deer and the stag in particular, and yeah, you end up with a whole herd of fallow deer and a number of fallow bucks amongst them. Absolutely gorgeous today on Camilla and I. What a finish to the day. And yeah, I think the action's just about over now, because I've seen a dog walker and there were a couple of enthusiastic amateurs who unfortunately walked into the scene, which disturbed the fallow deer. But I had got some good footage up till then, so yeah, no problem. So yeah, linked to some good footage of some fallow deer in the New Forest. Seen a red stag, but I haven't managed to photograph one. But and there's still roaring or bolving in the background as we speak. There's still one going at it, but I can't get close enough now. I've had it. You can't really move. You have to stay in one spot. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching an episode of Camilla and I from the New Forest, UK, Hampshire, UK. Nice.